In this video, we're going to take a look at the sidebar and how to get rid of that if you no longer want to use it, especially now that you've inserted your Google Drawing as your main source of navigation. And we're also going to quickly take a look at the horizontal navigational bar as well. So as you can see here, I've still got my sidebar. I want to get rid of that now that I've inserted my Google Drawing. I'm going to move over to the left, click the Settings cog and move down to Edit Site Layout. The buttons at the top are the ones I'm looking for. Sidebar, you'll notice, is already checked. So if I uncheck sidebar, simple as that, my sidebar disappears. Clicking on it again makes it reappear. Another option is to have horizontal navigation, which means the navigation sits at the top rather than down the left-hand side. So I'm going to click horizontal navigation bar, and what you'll notice is that my tabs have basically been added at the top rather than down the side, and I can change. So if I get rid of that sidebar now, I can change what tabs do go at the top and in what order. What you'll notice is when I hover over certain areas of this edit page, they highlight, and that means that it's in edit mode. So if I click on that horizontal navigation bar, you will be greeted without any of these originally. So yours will look like just home. If I want to add any pages I've created, simply by clicking add page, I need to find the page I want. So when they were created as the default website that you've used, they were default under home. So click on home, click the page you want, click OK, decide whether you want it to be a tab, box or a link. You can also add URLs in. So for example, one could be called Google Classroom. Now that you've got rid of your sidebar, which it wasn't there, and it would be that's the link for it. And decide whether I want to open up a new page. Let's say no, and I'm going to click OK, and you'll see everything change in my horizontal navigation bar. And from here, click close, and now you've got a horizontal navigation bar, you've got no sidebar, and you'd possibly have your Google Drawing in here as well. How you want to organize it is totally up to you. As I say, there is no set way. It really is all about what you do and don't want to do. So I'll get rid of that and click close, and I hope this has been helpful. And that is how to get rid of your sidebar. That is covering the Google Drawing navigation. And that is how to get rid of your sidebar or bring up your horizontal navigation bar.